In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio of a video in CapCut on PC quickly and easily. This is a simple but very important edit because the aspect ratio controls how your video fits different platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and more. Whether you want a widescreen look for YouTube or a vertical format for short-form content, CapCut makes this process very easy. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Make sure the video you want to edit is already loaded into the timeline so you can see exactly how the change affects your content. Once your project is open, look just below the preview window. You'll see a button labeled Ratio. This is the option that controls the canvas size and the overall shape of your video. Click on Ratio and CapCut will open a list of available aspect ratio options. Here, you can choose the format that best fits your platform or your creative goal. For example, 16:9 is the standard widescreen format and is perfect for YouTube videos. If you want to make content for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, you'll usually want to choose 9:16, which gives you a vertical full-screen layout. If you need a square format, select 1:1. This works well for social media posts and some promotional content. And if you want something slightly taller than a square, 4:5 is a great choice for Instagram-style videos because it takes up more screen space in the feed. Just click the ratio you want, and CapCut will instantly update the preview window to match that new size. After selecting your aspect ratio, take a moment to check how your video looks inside the new frame. Depending on the ratio you choose, you may need to reposition or resize your clip so that the subject stays centered and nothing important gets cut off. This is especially useful if you're changing from horizontal to vertical because the framing will change quite a bit. You can also continue editing from here if needed, adjusting your clips, adding text, and making sure everything fits the new layout. The great thing about CapCut is that it gives you a fast and flexible way to repurpose one video for multiple platforms without starting over from scratch. So to recap, open your project, click Ratio below the preview window, and choose the aspect ratio you want, such as 16:9, 9:16, 1:1, or 4:5. That's all it takes to change the video aspect ratio in CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.